Everyone, I am Sandra Florent, and we are here for another episode of Ask a Haitian. And first, let's say congratulations to our councilwoman on winning her election. So can you tell the people who you are and where you're from?
Very good. Thank you so much, Sandra Flora. It's a pleasure to be with you. Every time I have the opportunity to talk to our community, it's a pleasure. And this month is a special month, our Haitian Heritage Month. It's amazing. So, a little bit about me. I am Charnette Frederic, and I've been first elected on July 2012. This year make me 10 years. I already did 3 terms, so May 10 will be my 4th terms in office.
Congratulations.
It's an honor to serve the community, and I will continue to serve community, and hopefully you'll learn a little bit about me and how I integrate in the political system here in the United States.
Awesome. So integration is a key word that you mentioned. I know Haitian people, they come to America and they sometimes want to stick to themselves. You know, gen fwa Haitien sot Haiti, yo vini, yo rete yon kote, yo rete nan zon, yo pa entre nan anye. Yo men ti moun yo l'ekol, but yo pa ale nan meeting, yo pa vote. Ki sa ou ta di pou moun sa yo ti rete nan komunite, yo pa reme vote, yo pa reme entre nan ken bagay?
Premièrement, m'a dit comme ça que l'important, malgré nous comprendre, c'est l'école, l'église, la caille. C'est comme ça que apprendre
That's the motto.
seulement. L'école, l'église, la caille. Mais nous-mêmes, par exemple, nous t'ai fait venir en 1996 dans la cour Irvington, New Jersey. Par exemple, t'ai quoi en pile dans l'éducation. Chaque fois que je degré, me dit ça, c'est pour papa, maman, maman. Parce que j'ai un bachelor degree en biologie avec un minor in chemistry, j'ai un master en healthcare administration, et puis je travaille dans le doctorat en biochimique. Ça veut dire chaque degré, je peux changer d'éducation, ça a parlé nous. Mais ça passe, moi c'est celle petite fille. De maman, dernière petite ligne, j'ai 2 frères qui jumeaux. Quand il y a t'es venu dans Irvington, et puis là, je pas chez Kai, je était dans Irvington tout, parce que j'étais vraiment près de maman, ma papa. Eh bien, mes amis, soit chez Kai ou marié, faut gagner petit monde. Eh bien, j'ai petit garçon, moi, en seul. Et puis, quand il y a là, m'a coordonné l'école, m'a coordonné ça qui a passé pour intégrer tête plus dans le système américain. C'est là, ça m'a dit, oh, faut mal dans meeting. Mais je pense que c'est pas Getty, mon pas parler meeting, là ça t'appelle l'école, travail et puis l'église et puis la retenir carrément encore.
Exactly. So I think it's so important, even for Haitians who are born in America or just immigrating from Haiti, that we get involved in our community, whether you go into politics like Charnette did, or you just want to know what's going on in your community because you live there, you pay taxes there, your kids live there, your parents live there. So it's important to be involved. So when you decided to run for politics, how did your parents feel about that? Like you said, you went to school, you got your degrees, but now you're going into politics. And you know, Haitian politique. So what did your parents say when you told them, hey mom, I'm going to run for politics in Irvington?
Premièrement, mes amis, parce que tellement système différent avec américain, en 2009, et là ça que moi été allé dans différents meetings pour faire l'école, quand il y a le Board of Education, then that's when they telling me, oh, you should run for the Board of Education because I'm very vocal on what is happening. So when I talked to my husband, what do you think? He said, why not? It's a volunteer work. I didn't think it was that politics. And guess what? I did not win. Because when I first came in, I did not understand all the opponent and all different moving part within the political system. I did not win 2009. I'm like, wow, maybe I didn't know political system. As a result, I went to Rutgers University with Ron's sister, Ron.
Okay.
To understand more what is politics itself. And that's when I found out that, you know, as long as you have a platform, you have an organization, and you can do this. And guess what? 2010, I went again and I lost. After that, I lose for my school board election. I'm like, that's it, because you need a strong organization to win politics here in the United States. Even though Irvington is non-partisanship in all of our elections, you need the Democratic Party or Republican Party because you need a lot of structure to be able to win the election.
Got it.
And but the school board, because I thought it was volunteer, we didn't think it was that much politics. In 2012, the people that I was running against, they're like, Charnette, I will support you. I love the platform. I love the way you talk. I love the way that, you know, you want to make a change in the township of Irvington. And they support me. And because after I spoke to the family.
So can you tell us how it felt when you said you ran one time, you lost, you ran a second time, you lost, but the third time around, the people that you ran against decided to support you. So what made you think, or how did you feel when they said that they would now support you?
So definitely, so the people were for me when I ran for the school board was for me, plus the people that I was running against was now for me. It was my election to lose. So what does that mean? I didn't have to do much because I have a whole organization supporting. So on 2012, I literally win this election like a landslide. You know what I mean? And I become the first Haitian American elected official in the whole state of New Jersey as a woman.
Awesome. So going down that lane, so the first Haitian American in the state of New Jersey, I know we have Berks and Linnaeus in East Orange, also the first Haitian over there. So tell us about this organization that you are a part of that works with Haitian elected officials in the United States, because I think it's important that people understand, even with the 2020 census, you know, I know a lot of Haitian people didn't want to take it, things like that, but now they're seeing that the Haitian population is a viable population. We are a representative minority group. So tell us about this organization that you're a part of and what's the goal of it.
Very good. The organization that you mentioned is the National Haitian American Elected Official Network, short NHAEON, and this is a group of all of the Haitian elected officials. So throughout the whole United States, especially in Florida, it's the first state I think has the most Haitian elected. We have New York and we got New Jersey. Then we will have all the other states, even in Arizona.
Come on, Haitians in Arizona.
Yes, and that's one of the reasons we have our last leadership retreat in January in Arizona, just to showcase how amazing we are. We are all well connected. So NHAEON is a 501c3. Our role is to engage political with civic engagement, but also empower our community. Keep in mind, we are here, we have a lot of voice when it comes for voting. It's a matter of continue, encourage, and educate our community. Millions of people that we're representing as our constituents in the United States. So it's an honor to have people like Congresswoman Sheila Sheffield McCormick, to have all the mayors you mentioned, Beth Linnaeus, Michelle Delisford. Did you know we have Frank McHugh in Maplewood?
Yes.
Used to be a mayor and a committeeman in Maplewood, also Haitian descent. At the end of the day, I think this organization connects all of us and to continue to work for the betterment of our community and to be proud of. A lot of us, sometimes you come from Haiti and you're worried. You worry about the language. You worry about the culture. We are telling you, you're not alone. We are here for you. And one of the key things that I'm grateful for as a Haitian elected official during the border crisis, we have a lot of our sisters and our brothers came in, and our job is to welcome them. And as a result, May 15, this Sunday, we're having an amazing Haitian Flag Day in the township of Irvington, where we're going to have free shirt, free flag giveaway, free food, an amazing performance. We're going to have some dance, n'a gen plaisir ara, n'a gen ben recette de l'eau vocale, n'a gen normal AJ King, Paul El Sadad avec Natasha Tino kap co-host. Ça nous fait chaque année parce que nous connaissons nos héros dans mitan nous honorer yon monde. Année ça n'a honoré Pasteur Maurice qui travaille très très fort dans la communauté New Jersey pour aider un pile frère à sœur nous. So m'espérer que un pile nous vienne supporter, vienne ouais ça n'a fait en tant que haïtienne, spécialement Timounio, nous devons montrer culture, plus fier de culture là, fier de langue là, parce que de plus que nous montrer qui est nous est, de plus facile pour aider l'autre venir. C'est seulement les pas parler anglais.
Very true. I think it's culturally Haitians. I think that immigrating to America, also being a black immigrant, sometimes nous perdons langue nous parce que nous besoin apprendre anglais. So pour nous apprendre anglais, nous pas parler créole. But it's not helpful parce que tout le côté yo essayer pour ti moun yo parler créole, you know, and then it becomes very hard to speak to your parents. If your parent doesn't speak English, you don't speak Creole. There's a language barrier. Now you guys are having problems. The teacher wants an assignment done, but your parent can't help you because he or she doesn't speak English. So I think it's a good thing that we teach our children. Even Duolingo now has Haitian Creole, so not just Haitian people can learn Creole. There's other opportunities to learn Creole. So with this organization, is it only for Haitians who are in politics? What if you're not in politics and you want to learn more about this organization? Are there opportunities to join, to volunteer?
Very good. Our organization, it's our members, it's only for elected official and former elected official. But as a chairwoman of this organization, my goal is to work with all organizations. What happened, there's a lot of great ideas out there, and our members all over the United States are very active and want to hear and how to make a difference. As much as we're serving our local municipality, we also want to help our motherland.